Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I'm a huge Dodge fan. And my son works at Chrysler. He was in town this past week and we had a little fun.
Dad, what's that noise? What's that noise?
Never mind, don't worry about it.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Alex, James's son.
We don't know you.
No, I build full-scale cars. I've got a Chrysler 300 SRT8. I've got a Dodge Neon SRT4.
Get out of here. Where's James at?
James, get out of here.
Go get James.
I like James' mom better.
Dad, this is the one. It's a Dodge Magnum SRT8.
Dude, that's a Dodge station wagon.
This is not any station wagon. It's an SRT.
SRT? What's that? Stripes, rims, and tires?
No, street and racing technology when those crazy Dodge boys get their hands on the performance parts.
Ah, gotcha. Well, what's so special about it?
It's got a factory cold air intake, 80mm throttle body, cast aluminum intake manifold, easily portable. We got race heads from the factory, 320 CFM on the intake side, 200 on the exhaust. Talking big power. Talking two-wheeler shorty headers from the factory. The later years came with a get-rag limited slip differential. It's got a 5-speed automatic trans derived from Mercedes-Benz. It's the same one they put behind the V12 twin turbos. Of course you've heard of the drag pack. Drag pack has the exact same block, just aluminum. The 5.7 liter for the year only ran up to 5,000 RPM. We're talking 6,000 RPM. Got errands to run on the weekend? Take your family of 5 to the grocery store, then to the drag strip to click off a 13-second quarter mile. It's got the 6.1 liter Hemi.
Oh, just like your car.
That's right, 425 horsepower.
Woo! But can it do burnouts?
Yes, it can.
Can you race it down the quarter mile?
Yes, it can.
You know what? This is a bad car. I think I'm gonna build it. So here's the kit pre-assembled. Not a bad kit. I just have a few little things that I'm not happy about. First thing is the stance. This is the stock stance. I'm gonna want to lower it in the front just a little bit and a little bit more in the back. When I flip it, it seems to be off just a little bit, and that this side is a little higher, so maybe the chassis isn't sitting straight. But it's really, there's no location to it, so it just comes right off. So that's going to have to be glued on. The front window has sort of a step here, and I think I'd like to make that flush fit. Same with the sunroof. Maybe I just glued it in wrong, but it's just doesn't look right to me. I'll fix that. The side windows, they're not bad. Trunk does open, and it locks in the open position. That's kind of cool. But there's some gaps here and there. It's not bad. I think I can clean that up a little bit. I am going to leave that molded in screening here. I'm not going to replace it. Basically, I'll just shoot it with a flat black first, almost the black primer, and I'll mask those pieces to not get any more coats. So it'll leave all of the texture there. One of the other things that bothers me, put this back on, it's the stance. These tires are right on the wheel lip. And so when I lower it, this tire is probably most likely going to touch this wheel lip. They almost need to be tucked in just a little bit. Same with the front end. It's just right there on the outer edge. I'd like to bring it in just a little bit. It's even worse on this side. See, the tire's actually outside of the wheel well. If this was 1972, it would be okay, but not for this year. Engine-wise, it's pretty basic for a 6.1 liter Hemi. Not a whole lot can be seen detail-wise, so just some clean painting. Chassis, pretty basic again. I think I'm going to look up to see what the factory overspray looked like and get rid of all this molded in stuff here. Interior wise, not bad. Just a little bit of gappiness here and in there. It's kind of sloppy, actually. But I think I can clean that up. Put some flocking or some felt or something here. Same with the interior. But a lot of it won't be seen. There's some detail painting that needs to be done here. Yeah, I think it'll be all right. I think it looks like a pretty good project. If you watch my friend's videos on BG Modelworks and Luca C channel, you'll see that I've actually worked on it a lot lately. So the body's in paint and polished and the interior's already done. The plan is to finish painting all the parts and then assemble the whole car ASMR style. No music, no voice, no nothing. Just ambient sounds of building model cars. So watch for that in the next 2 weeks or so, and I'll see you then. Bye. SRT, what's that? But can it do burnouts?
She gets down. Keep it. It's all good if you've got some grocery shopping to do. Stop by the drag strip on the way home. I think I want to do that one a little better. Was that too brochure-ish?
No.
Good. Come on, buddy. Cat got your tongue? The 5.7. I'm Alex, James's son.
I'm in the picture.